Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python script that implements a binary search. Binary search is a complex search method and it is very efficient. A prerequisite for binary search technique is that the element values in the array to be searched are sorted in ascending order. The array elements to search are split into two halves or partitions of about the same size. The middle element is compared with the key value. If the element with this value is not found, the search is continued only on one partition. The partition is again split into two smaller partitions until the element is found, or until no more splits are possible because the element is not found. So it depends. First, I'm going to define our function binary search. Define binary search and pass in list list and the key that we want to search in our list. We are going to find the elements in our list which will be equal to our key. Now we'll assign the lower and upper bounds of the array to lower and upper. While the lower value is less than the upper value, we will continue the search. So I will set the size first by calling length function and passing in our list, and set the value of lower to 0 and upper to size minus 1. And now we are going to use a while loop and check if while lower is less than or equal to upper, and now split the array into two partitions. Compare the middle element with the key value. So this will become middle is set to lower plus upper divided by 2 if key is equal to my underscore list and pass in middle. Then we are going to return the result. That will be a middle. Else, and the result will be the index of the element. If the key value is less than the middle element, we will change the upper bound to the index of the middle element minus 1. Continue the search on the lower partition. Else, if key less than my underscore list middle, then set the upper to middle minus 1. Else, set lower to middle plus 1. Return minus 1 if key is not found. Return minus 1. And now we can test our function by creating our list. And first, so this will be list underscore 1 and some values 50, 80, 100, 200, 350. And now we are going to prompt the user for the key and saving the key. I'll call input and please enter key, and I'm going to convert this one into integer by passing into an int function. And now I'm going to get the result back by calling binary search function, binary underscore search, and pass in our list and the key. And we can check if our result is greater or equal to 0. We can print a result index is result index and just print the result, print result. Else we can print no key found, no key found. Oh, we can just run our script, and here we need to enter the key. I will enter 80 and it print the index value, that index which is 1. Let's start from 0, this 1. I will run it again and we'll look up for 100, and it is on index 2, 0, 1, 2. So it worked. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Assem Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.